Blogging 101, top 5 best blogging advices to create a successful blog. So the first thing is get ideas from your audience. So create a blog, create a post from your audience. So basically whatever your audience loves it or whatever your audience wants, you need to write a blog for that. So let's say for example you're a food blogger and then it's Christmas time and people want to learn about how to cook turkey, how to cook chicken. So you need to get ideas from your audience and write about that. The second thing is understand your audience, what your audience really is, what your audience really wants. It's like an empathy map. So if you don't know what an empathy map is, so this is an empathy map. Okay, so imagine this is your reader and you need to understand your reader, like what's his name, what are their feelings, what is their age, how they feel, what are their pain points, what are their overall goals, what they want. So this is called an empathy map. So again, you need to understand your audience. Third thing is write for yourself first. I'm missing a T, but write for yourself. So imagine rather than you writing for Google and SEO keyword, you write for yourself first. So you're writing an article where you could write everything in detail for yourself, for your understanding. So what this would do is, in return, you would write a really long article with a lot of explanation for yourself. You're not writing for Google and SEO keywords, you're writing for yourself. So this would, get the trust of your audience as well, because you're trying to connect with them. You're trying to write for yourself rather than anyone else. So that's really good in blogging. You would stand out because nowadays everyone writes for keywords. You don't want to do that. You want to stand out. So write for yourself first. Fourth thing is build your email list. That's the most important. I need to emphasize this a lot, guys. This is like a gold mine. This is where all your subscribers, all your super fans are. Let's say you write a blog, just send them an email list and boom, you're getting free traffic. People are sharing your blog post. Very simple, guys. And the last thing is give stuff away. So just give a free PDF once in a while, once in a month. Let's say Christmas is coming, you created a Christmas cookie recipe and gave it for free. Let's say you're a makeup blogger, just give a small makeup tutorial tip, give it away. You're a fashion blogger, give one cool fashion tip and give it away. And the last thing is just don't give up, guys. Never give up. I emphasize this a lot. Never give up on your dreams. Whatever you believe in, you would achieve it. You just don't have to give up. That's it, guys. And also, guys, I have created a course, okay, how to build your brand, blogging, SEO, social media and email marketing. In this, I tell you how to get thousands of visitors to your blog site very easily, and I show you techniques, proven techniques, tried and tested techniques to make your blog post go viral. So a lot of people have really loved it, and in fact there are a lot of things you could go and check out. The course link is down below, and it's $7 because the reason for that is I've just created the website. It's just created the course. It's a new course. I would be adding a lot more into it, and this is just the beginning. That's the reason it's $7, and the price would increase more in the coming days because I'll be adding more modules. But currently right now this is it, how to build your brand. You could go and check out. The link is down below, and thank you for watching.